You can pull copper out of trash. And from copper, money. I'll show you real places where you can get copper cables, for free or very cheap. We all know that these days it's very hard to find free copper. Electricians and HVAC workers have a big advantage. Copper is basically a bonus on top of their salary. But if you're not in those fields, where do you get it? Today, I'll show you real ways to get your hands on copper. If you have access to construction sites or areas nearby, you'll almost always see dumpsters or bags with construction waste. You can find plenty of copper wires in there because electricians usually keep the larger pieces and throw away the smaller ones. The same goes for construction sites, factories, and warehouses. There's constant work being done on electrical panels. Blown fuses get replaced, new cables get added. Usually, the leftover pieces end up on the ground, and if you find them, you can take them. It's similar with old electrical transformer stations. Since they're outdated, maintenance work happens often. Cables and other copper parts get replaced. In my case, I walked around one and found a copper wire with a clamp, probably from grounding. Abandoned houses that are already falling apart where no one will likely live again. I'm not sure how legal this is, but I went into one and found some old cables that would have just sat there for years otherwise. Another method is searching for old cables buried in the ground. For that, you'll need a metal detector. Then you can use old map apps to find places where buildings once stood, houses, factories, or plants that were later demolished. With a metal detector, you can find copper and other metals that are likely still there. I really want to get a metal detector myself, and I hope I'll be able to soon. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see videos on this channel about metal detecting. Besides the free methods, you can also get copper wire scrap at a low cost, for example, from auto repair shops. They constantly accumulate large amounts of wiring from cars. You can buy it cheap, and after processing it, you can make several times more money. You can also post ads on marketplaces. Many people don't have time to recycle these cables and will be happy to give them away for a small reward. I came across a video of a guy in Russia walking along a riverbed and finding huge amounts of copper cables. From what I understood, many years ago there were several electrical distribution stations near that river that got destroyed. Over time, the water eroded the ground and exposed pieces of cables and copper wires, and there's a lot of it. I'm happy for him, but not everyone gets that kind of luck. That's it for today. Leave a like to support the channel.